Reloading! Reloading!
Alright, so I did it once again.
Everybody
used
grab a
this AK-47 right here, this airsoft AK-47, and I recorded a few reloads into it like so. And this is the result. I'm pretty proud of it, along with the other mods that I'll have in the description, hopefully, or the collection of mods. Right here. You know, we have the M16, or the M4, AK-47 now, the MP5 sends, the HK slap, right there, and the pistol sends. Yeah, that's all I've done so far. I don't have any other airsoft guns, so this is probably going to be the last one, unless you want some Nerf gun side effects. And, yeah, you know. I hope you enjoy the sounds if you decide to subscribe to the mod. And, yeah. Bye-bye.